Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of boxing and exploring the incredible benefits of incorporating boxing into your daily fitness routine. Whether you're looking to boost your cardiovascular health, build strength, shed some pounds, or simply relieve stress, boxing has something for everyone. So, if you're ready to punch your way to better health and fitness, stick around as we break down why boxing every day could be the perfect workout for you. Let's get started. Boxing exercises are a comprehensive fitness regimen that provides numerous physical and mental health benefits. One of the primary advantages of boxing workouts is the significant improvement in cardiovascular health. These exercises are highly aerobic, meaning they increase the heart rate and promote better oxygen circulation throughout the body. Regular participation in boxing helps strengthen the heart and lungs, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases and improving overall stamina and endurance. In addition to cardiovascular benefits, boxing enhances strength and conditioning. The various movements involved in boxing, such as punching, ducking, and weaving, engage multiple muscle groups, including the arms, shoulders, core, and legs. This full-body workout leads to increased muscle tone and strength. The repetitive nature of these movements also builds endurance, enabling you to sustain physical activity for longer periods without fatigue. Unlike traditional strength training, boxing combines dynamic movements that improve both muscular and cardiovascular endurance simultaneously. Weight loss is another significant benefit of boxing exercises. The high-intensity nature of boxing workouts means they burn a large number of calories in a relatively short amount of time. This calorie-burning effect, coupled with the muscle-building aspect of boxing, helps reduce body fat and increases metabolic rate. As a result, boxing can be an effective tool for those looking to lose weight and improve their body composition. Boxing also plays a crucial role in enhancing hand-eye coordination and agility. The sport requires precise and quick movements, often in response to a moving target or opponent. Training drills, such as hitting speed bags or sparring, improve reaction times and coordination, making you more agile and responsive. This heightened coordination is beneficial not only in sports, but also in everyday activities that require quick reflexes and fine motor skills. Mental health benefits are also significant in boxing. The physical exertion and focus required in boxing provide an excellent outlet for stress relief. Hitting a punching bag or practicing combinations can release pent-up tension and aggression, leading to a reduction in stress and anxiety levels. This cathartic effect can improve overall mental well-being, providing a sense of accomplishment and confidence. Additionally, learning boxing techniques equips you with valuable self-defense skills. Understanding how to properly throw punches, defend against attacks, and move strategically can be crucial in real-life situations where self-defense is necessary. These skills enhance personal safety and increase confidence in one's ability to protect themselves. Finally, the fast-paced nature of boxing drills helps sharpen reflexes. Training often involves quick, repetitive movements that require immediate reactions. This continuous practice hones your ability to respond swiftly and effectively, improving overall reflexes and reaction time. In summary, boxing exercises offer a wide range of benefits, from improving cardiovascular health and building strength to aiding in weight loss, enhancing coordination, providing stress relief, teaching self-defense, and sharpening reflexes. This makes boxing a highly effective and versatile workout option for individuals seeking comprehensive physical and mental health improvements. Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing benefits of boxing every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And I will also recommend you to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on screen now. Until next time, stay active, stay healthy, and keep fighting for your fitness goals. See you in the next video.